Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best solar-powered fans that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Busy Piggy Solar Camping Fan. The Busy Piggy Solar Camping Fan can also be used as a lantern thanks to its 3 LED lights, which fold out from the sides of the fan. This solar-powered device is ideal for camping or relaxing outdoors, as it has a built-in hanging hook, but it can also be propped on its side for indoor use. The solar charging panel is on the back, and it can last for up to 20 hours per charge, depending on which of the 4 speed settings you use. It even juices up smartphones and other devices via USB cable, which comes in handy when you're out in the wilderness. Spending a night outdoors is something everyone should experience. So you want something to help you see at night. A lantern is super useful for camping, so you can make your way around the campsite and your tent easily in the dark. Moving on at number 4, we have Solar Panel Fan Kit. The AntPay Solar Panel Fan Kit features 2 5-inch fans mounted to an acrylic panel, allowing the unit to push more air out of a small building. It's suitable for spaces up to 200 cubic feet, and the fan motors have a service life of more than 6 years. The kit comes with a waterproof solar panel that's roughly 14 by 7 inches, and an 11-foot cable allows you to mount it quite far away from the fan itself. However, the 2 fans can't be separated, and there's no built-in battery, meaning the fan will only run during the daytime. At number 3, we have ZX5W Desktop Solar Fan. If you're looking for a more compact fan suitable for your desktop, greenhouse or motorhome, then the ZX5W Desktop Solar Fan is a great choice. The fan has a dimension of 4 by 4 by 4 inches, which is smaller than its solar panel, which is 8.7 inches by 7 inches by 0.1 inches. The fan is small, light, and easy to both move around and find a place for. There aren't really any bells and whistles on this model, but it does what it does very well. Unlike some of the other smaller solar fans, the solar panel on the ZX is waterproof, which means it can be used in outdoor stations like a chicken coop, doghouse, or greenhouse. This fan runs directly from the solar panel, so if there's no sun, it won't run. At number 2, we have ILiving Hybrid Solar Fan. The ILiving Hybrid Smart Thermostat Solar Attic Exhaust Fan is certainly well built, with a powerful 20W adjustable polycrystalline solar panel, IP68 water and dust-proof fan, and a quiet brushless motor that provides up to 2,000 square feet of cooling capacity. The smart part of this smart fan comes from the smart thermostat, which has a wide control range of 65 to 130 F and an enable/disable feature that allows you to have more freedom to control the fan the way you want. As a hybrid fan, the ILiving runs off solar during the day and then switches to AC power at night or during periods of low solar viability. The ILiving Hybrid Smart Thermostat Solar Attic Exhaust Fan is an excellent smart hybrid solar fan that will help you save on electricity and stay cool. It's definitely the best solar-powered fan they've come across for attics. And finally at number 1, Zuzzy Mini Ventilator Fan. The Zuzzy Mini Ventilator Fan is incredibly affordable but also useful. The design works perfectly for your greenhouse roof and should fit into an already cut vent if you have one. With the Zuzzy, the power of the fan is hot or miss depending on the sun. When the sun is strong, your fan will run well, but when the sun is weak or non-existent, the fan wouldn't be able to cool down a dollhouse. That is a direct quote from a dissatisfied customer. If you have a massive greenhouse, this is not the right fan for you as it will not adequately refresh the space. The moral of the story is that this fan will work for a small space, but manage your expectations. It is a small and cheap exhaust fan that can circulate the air in a tiny space, so don't expect it to do more than that. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.